I'm a psychiatrist, and today we're looking at pathological altruism. So, altruism as a word on its own is a virtue, it's a good moral practice. It's the desire to help somebody out of a difficult situation and to actually help them out of a difficult situation. And this is often fueled by this inherent quality that we have of emotional empathy. And emotional empathy here is when I see somebody in a challenging situation, I instantly experience, to a lesser degree, to a lesser intensity, the emotions that underlie that experience. So if a person is going through a divorce, I can relate or connect with the emotions that underlie that divorce, whether it's heartache or suffering or loneliness. I'm able to relate with that. And because I'm able to, then I have this desire or need to want to get them out of that situation. And so I go ahead and I try to do all these things to make them feel better. If somebody likes chocolate, I buy them that. If somebody wants to go to a movie, I facilitate that. That's altruism. But what happens when the motivation, the intention of altruism is not healthy? Take an example. A person has come into a lot of success as a result of other people's failures. And this person knows that their achievement is the cause of unhappiness for all the people around them. They may get into an altruistic behavior, not because they want to help those people, but because they need to help them. And there's a difference here. Altruism is the desire, you want to help people. Pathological altruism is usually the need, the compulsion to want to help people because it serves your own need. And so you do it even when it's hurting you. You do it even when it's hurting the person receiving your kindness, receiving your generosity, receiving your benevolence. You can find altruism as well in, for example, somebody who's been hurt and then their feelings were invalidated. And then they decide that they can handle it, they're strong enough. And so what they do is they're not going to deal with their own pain, they're not going to deal with their own feelings of hurt. What they're going to do is they're going to make sure everyone around them doesn't get hurt. And they go on this journey, and everyone they see who is hurt, they offer their help, even when they don't have it, even when that help is hurting them and is hurting the person they're helping. So assess yourself. Are you altruistic or do you have pathological altruism?